Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shauna and I'm with the David Loh Aesthetics team. Today we'll be talking about Ultherapy, which is one of my favorite treatments to give my patients. So what is Ultherapy? Ultherapy is actually micro-focused ultrasound to lift and tighten the face. And this reduces sagging and jowling, giving you a more youthful appearance. So what sets Ultherapy apart from all the other ultrasound devices out there? With so many treatments available, it can be hard to make a decision. But my personal favorite is always Ultherapy, and I believe it's superior to the rest. And this is mainly because we have real-time visualization to guide us in our treatment process. Look at the screen here. So as you can see, there are different layers that we can target. The top here is where the surface of the skin is, and as you go deeper into the skin, you can see a white colored layer here at the 4.5 mm mark. This is actually the layer called the SMAS layer. The SMAS is a layer that has muscular tissue in it, and that's the layer that surgeons target in a surgical facelift. They usually use that to tighten and lift the face, and this is the same layer that we target while using Ultherapy. So what's the process like when you come into the clinic for your Ultherapy session? Firstly, when you come in, as usual, we'll have a consultation to really assess what your needs and what your goals are. Next, when you start the treatment, we'll give you some analgesia. That includes some numbing cream, and sometimes we can give oral painkillers to help you manage the pain. It is usually quite comfortable and tolerable, but there can be some areas of discomfort during the treatment, especially over the jawline area closer to the bone. And we definitely try to manage that with these pain relief methods. With the addition of Ultherapy Prime, a lot of our patients have given us really good feedback that the pain is much more tolerable compared to previous treatments, and so that's something you can definitely look forward to. Following that, we'll do a quick scan of your face. This is to prep us for the whole procedure, which is called the See, Plan, Treat method. And this is started by the Ultherapy team, and I find it really useful to personalize treatments for our patients. So the scanning part allows us to see the different layers of your skin, as you can see here on the screen. Different people have different skin types, people have different amounts of fat under the skin, and different thickness of the muscle. And by doing the scanning before starting the treatment, we're not doing a standardized plan for everyone, but really giving a customized, personalized package and treatment for each of our patients. So after having a good plan for each and every one of you, we'll get started with the treatment proper and start administering the shots. After the treatment, sometimes you may get a little bit of discomfort, aching sensation, or even some sort of soreness after the treatment, and that's quite normal. But the most important thing is to let us know during the procedure if you experience things like numbing or tingling sensations, because that may give us a small hint that certain nerves may be affected by the treatment, and that's when we need to either adjust the probe to a different area or take certain precautions. And after the procedure is done, when you head home, it's okay to take some pain relief medications like Panadol, but the most important things to avoid would be to take anti-inflammatories. This is because the whole process of how the Ultherapy treatment works, it relies quite heavily on inflammation that stimulates collagen production. And by taking anti-inflammatories, you might actually reduce the effects of the treatment. So this is something to take note of. So the next common question we get is, how fast does Ultherapy take to show its effects, and how long can it last? Unfortunately, Ultherapy is not a treatment where you can see immediate results right off the bat, but you really get to see its full effects in about 2 to 3 months. These results can usually last for at least a year, and sometimes even more. And with Ultherapy, the good thing is that it sets you up for many other treatments that can further improve your skin tightness and firmness. Things like using fillers for a lifting effect, or even other treatments to improve skin quality, like radiofrequency microneedling, for example, that can really help to improve your skin quality to give you a tighter, firmer appearance. So if you're hearing about Ultherapy and it's something that you want to try out for yourself, or you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us via our social media, email, or just give us a call. We look forward to seeing you at David Loh Aesthetics.